Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to create drop down menu or drop down list for your Wix website menu. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and now click on this drop down next to page, and here click on manage pages, and here you will find all of your created pages for your Wix website. And this is your site menu section. And now, as you can see, I've already added a drop down list for shop all menu item. Now I will show you how to easily add drop down list. First of all, you have to search for the menu item where you want to insert drop down list. For example, I want to add drop down items for him item. So here's I'm going to clicking on add menu item and clicking on new page and selecting blank page and giving the page name shirts and then clicking on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a new page in my Wix website. And now I want to make this page a drop down for him item. So I'm going to clicking on this icon and just dragging and putting it under for him. And now again clicking on this three dot and clicking on sub page, and that's it. As you can see, this shirt page is a sub page for him item. And now I will make a existing page sub page. For example, this contact page. So all you have to need, just add the item under the menu item. You want to make sub page and just click on this three dot and click on sub page, and the page will be drop down or sub page. Now let's preview our Wix website, and now let's hover over on for him, and under for him here we can see shirts and contact. These two pages are sub page or drop down list. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.